Hi everyone, my name is Kim Young. I'm a General Manager of International Business for GT. Reagent management in the lab is the directly linked for the experimental results and safety. However, due to the wide variety of reagents, it is not easy to track expiration dates and usage history of the chemical in the handwriting. Today, I would like to introduce chemical storage cabinet by GT. This is the chemical storage cabinet. This is the chemical storage refrigerator, controlling temperature range of 2 to 10 degrees. At last, this is the chemical storage freezer, keeping your reagent at stable -30 to -15 degrees. All of these cabinets are applied with AIoT technology and TOGA filter system, on technology of chemical air filter by GT. On the display panel, you can instantly check what reagents are inside it and how many bottles. It is very helpful with the chemical classification rules. You will get an alert once you try to place the reagent that doesn't match the rules. Starting 30 days before expiration, the cabinet displays the warning indication, so you don't need to check every reagent individually. Through the smart LabMate AI, you are able to check all the display information of the reagent cabinet. Even other brand cabinet can be registered in this system, and you can manage the reagent the same as GT Science cabinet does. The scale integrated method, the reagent usage and remaining quantity both are recorded automatically, so you don't need to write it down anymore. Amount of usage manually. Through the LSPMS, you are able to track all the reagent inventory and usage history. Also, you can download all the data easily as an Excel file. Please experience GT Science chemical management system for better and more efficient for your reagents in your lab. Thank you very much.